I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the tools: Node, Net SDK, and a code editor. Start by scaffolding a React app and an ASP, NET Web API project in parallel. Once created, enable cores on the API and add a proxy or dev server config in React so requests route to localhost 5000. Make sure to pick REST versus GraphQL now because it shapes DTOs and client queries. This first step gets the projects talking and avoids refactors later. Now implement the contract. Create controllers and DTOs in ASP, NET, and return consistent JSON shapes. In React, centralize network logic in a service using fetch or Axios so error handling and headers are shared. Once done, wire authentication. Issue JWTs from the API, store access and refresh tokens securely, and attach authorization headers on each request. Make sure to handle 401 responses by attempting refresh, because that keeps the UX smooth without forcing repeated logins. To finish, decide deployment. Either let ASP, NET serve the React build via use static files or host them separately and configure a reverse proxy. Enable HTTPS and validate environment variables for API URLs. Once deployed, test end-to-end flows, paying attention to cores, cookie vs header auth, and stale token cases. If something breaks, check browser, dev tools, network, and server logs for mismatched JSON shapes or missing authorization headers. That single inconsistency is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.